Most businesses today have some kind of cloud presence, whether it's using Office 365, storing data on the cloud, or using cloud-based applications. Cloud computing has a lot of advantages over on-premises solutions, which is why it's become so popular in recent years. The biggest advantage of cloud computing is that it's much more scalable than on-premises solutions. If you need to add more users or increase storage, you can do so without having to make a large upfront investment in hardware. With on-premises solutions, you would need to buy and install new servers, which can be a costly and time-consuming process. Another advantage of the cloud is that it's more reliable than on-premises solutions. When you have on-premises servers, there's always the risk of them going down due to power outages, hardware failures, or other issues. With cloud computing, your data is stored in the cloud provider's data center, which is typically much better equipped to handle these kinds of problems. Thanks for watching.